In this video, we'll show how you can display decoded values in a list. So you can see here we have a simple list that has a field called coded value. And instead of displaying the code here, we'd like to display the decoded value by looking up this code in some lookup list. So we can go now back to design mode, go over to list properties and go to the fields tab. And you can see here we have the coded value field. And there's a property here called decode values. So we'll go there and we'll choose decode value. And then we can decode the value by basically looking up its value in a static list, a dynamic list that is generated by either a database query or a custom XBasic function, or a list that is generated by calling a JavaScript function. So we'll go here and say that it's a dynamic list, and we're going to do a query against the Northwind database. We're going to use the categories table, and our coded value will be category ID, and the resolved value will be category name. So now let's go ahead and run this component. And now what we see is that basically all of the coded values that resolve are displayed. So we see beverages, condiments, and confectionaries and confections. But for the coded value of 30, there is no resolved value, so the coded value gets displayed instead. So if we were to go now and make a change to either the list over here or to the lookup list and then call refresh list data, we would see that the data refreshes. So let's go back to Navigate here where the SQL database is defined, and we'll change beverages to beverages 2, and we'll change alpha to alpha 2. So we'll go back now to our list and we'll say refresh list data, and we can see that the list itself is refreshed and the lookups are also refreshed as well. So what we've shown in this video is how you can easily display decoded values for any coded value in a list by setting the decode value property in the list builder. Thanks very much for watching.